Hello friends, in previous lecture we have seen how to use inspector tool to inspect native iOS app elements. In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can write the tests to automate the iOS apps. So I have opened this page here on the softpost.org website. We are going to automate this address book app, that is contacts app, and here is the Java code for that one. I've imported some of these classes from this packages io.appium.java_client.appium driver, mobile element, touch action, android drivers. Actually it is not required here. iOS driver is required, then touch actions, desired capabilities, remote web driver. So most of these classes are in this package io.appium, and the rest of them are in org.openqa.selenium. Now here we have created one instance of iOS driver, and before that we have set some desired capabilities. Over there we have specified platform version, device name, automation name, then bundle ID. We have used bundle ID here because we know the bundle ID of that particular app, mobile address book, com.apple.mobile address book. But if you have got the app file, you can use app capability there, as we have seen earlier. Then here we have created the instance of iOS driver with this port, and then we have set the timeout of 20 seconds for the driver. Finally we have got this add element using this XPath. So in a previous lecture we have seen how to find these XPaths. If you haven't seen that lecture or watched that video, you can go back and watch that video. Then next thing that we have done after finding that element, we have used this touch action class to tap on that element. But alternatively you can also click on that using click method. So whichever is you like, you can go with that. Next one is we have used send keys method to send the information in the last name field. And finally we have quit this browser. So here we have got a live example of that, and I'm gonna execute this. So here is our simulator, and I'm gonna run this one. Meanwhile, let me tell you that I have 10 years of experience in Appium, Selenium, QTP, UFT, all these automation tools. So if you have any questions, if you are stuck with any issues in your project or personal or at office, then you can contact me, and I will try to help you. Definitely I will try to help you and resolve your queries. And for those people who don't know, I'm right now working in Brisbane, Australia, in one of the software company as a automation tester. I've been living here since last 5 years now. So you can see the application is launched. Initially it takes time because especially when you start first time, because it has to start the WDA server. But once that server is running, next time it will be faster. So here it is gonna click on that plus button. And now it will enter first name, last name in here, and then program will end. But similarly you can work with other controls as well over there, clicking on buttons, entering edit box. If there is a drop down, or they call it a picker field, you can just use the send keys method to pick the value from that picker field. And rest of the things are very pretty much simple, like clicking on buttons, and then links, entering text in edit box. I haven't seen any issues so far in my like official project, or here when I do personally automate some apps. I haven't seen any issues over there. Only thing that I've noticed with the iPhone or iOS automation is that iOS automation is pretty slow. So if you want to do automation, I will recommend that you get a very powerful Mac system with the SSD drive, solid state drive, because that those machines are very faster as compared to SATA hard disks. So you can see it is entering Sagar in the first name.